Hi folks, my name is Mike. I am with I-80 Equipment. Today I've got a 2005 Freightliner M2 bucket truck. It's equipped with an Altec LRV55 boom. I'm going to show you that boom and all of its features. First thing you want to do is climb up in the cab. Turn your ignition forward. Let it cycle through. Once it cycles through, let that diesel warm up. Go ahead and start it up. Go ahead and start by turning your lights on. Ensure that you are in neutral in the transmission and the air brakes are set. Once those are done, you can come up top. We can turn your master on. As soon as you flip it on, your PTO will engage. We have your strobe lights, compartment lights if necessary at night, and we have 2 spare fuses if you want to add something in the future. And they're all live. You just got to hook up whatever you need to them. Once you're all said and done, firing it up, we have outriggers, 2 front, 2 rear. Driver's side outrigger levers are here. We have start stop, press up and hold. Emergency pump kicks in, release. Press and hold. The vehicle starts back up. Passenger side, same thing. We have your capstan throttle. We have slow, fast, capstan switch, levers for your outriggers, selector lever here. Up is for capstan outriggers. Pull back to you is lift. And they are clearly marked on top of them. Your capstan is located right here along passenger side. At this time, I'll go ahead and lower your outriggers. We'll make sure the outriggers are nice and firm on the ground. And then your capstan, press down for rotation. Slow it down, speed it up, turn it off, opposite direction. Then to run your boom, pull your selector back to you. Now you have hydraulic pressure to the boom. Come around passenger side to the steps. Levers, top to bottom. We have the override, so that's your upper and lower controls. Upper, lower, in the upper position. It will not have any power down here. It acts like an emergency stop. Lower boom, raise and lower. Upper boom, fold and unfold. And then rotation clockwise, counterclockwise of the entire boom. I-80 has dielectric tested and certified this boom. Those are good for 1 year. Start, stop. Press and hold, continue to hold. Emergency pump kicks in. Release, always wait a couple seconds. Press and hold. Fires right back up. Install a 2-man bucket for you. Hard to get in with one hand. We have hydraulic tool on the far side left. Emergency hydraulic stop. And then your Altec style controller. We have lift of the upper boom, lowering of the upper boom. We have fold and unfold. And then clockwise, counterclockwise rotation of the boom. Tool circuits here. At this time, I will fly it from your upper and lower controls. Show you that everything works just fine. remember to put your selector back in the outriggers. We'll raise your outriggers at this time. Alright, once you're all said and done, we can go ahead and shut the vehicle back down. Whether you're done for the day or just putting it away, always make sure your PTO is off so you don't drive with it on. Strobe and compartment lights on. Go ahead and shut it down. Turn your lights and your hazards back off. Nice clean vehicle. Just remember on this boom, the faster you pull up on the trigger, the faster it goes up. So use caution using your triggers. Altec manuals. Freightliner inside the cabinet there. Nice clean unit. This is equipped with a master on, master off switch. DOT has been done by I-80 equipment, good for 1 year. We have the driver's side steer tire, driver's side engine compartment. Nice big old Mercedes-Benz motor inside that engine compartment for you. We have the passenger side steer tire, passenger side engine compartment. The engine compartment has all fresh fluids and filters along with the hydraulic fluid and filters. All been changed out. Inside the box compartments on passenger side, we have your inverter, plenty of drawers, flat body T-body, spray on bed liner throughout the whole top of the bed, sides of the boxes, stairs, and the high pedestal, the hydraulic tank, all been spray on bed lined. Pair of wheel chocks, the driver's side. 2-man bucket cover. Fire extinguisher and some triangles. Thank you for picking I-80 equipment. Enjoy your vehicle.